Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're making powerful natural hair masks that stop hair loss and boost growth. The main ingredient is yogurt. It nourishes the scalp, strengthens roots, and keeps hair shiny. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty secrets. First recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of yogurt. It deeply nourishes and strengthens the hair. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. It stimulates hair growth and prevents breakage. Mix the yogurt and sesame oil well. Benefit of the mask. This mask hydrates the scalp, boosts circulation, and promotes strong, thick hair. How to use. Apply the mixture to your scalp and the full length of your hair. Massage gently into the roots. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Then rinse with warm water and wash with a mild shampoo. Repeat this treatment 2 times per week. Friends, write in the comments and tell me, from which city are you watching us? Second recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Nourishes and restores. 1/3 of a banana, mashed, rich in potassium and vitamins for soft, shiny hair. Mix yogurt with the mashed banana until smooth. Benefit of the mask. This recipe reduces dryness, prevents split ends, and gives smooth, silky texture to your hair. How to use. Apply evenly to the scalp and hair strands. Massage gently into the roots. Leave on for 25 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then wash your hair with a gentle shampoo. Use this mask once or twice a week. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Third recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Provides proteins to strengthen the roots. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Balances scalp pH and removes dandruff. Mix the yogurt and apple cider vinegar together. Benefit of the mask. This mask deeply cleanses, strengthens follicles, and stimulates growth. How to use. Apply to your scalp and massage for a few minutes. Spread the rest onto your hair. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with warm water and a natural shampoo. Repeat weekly for best results. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty recipes. Fourth recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of yogurt, rich in nutrients. 1 tablespoon of burdock oil with pepper. Increases blood circulation and wakes up dormant hair follicles. Mix yogurt with burdock oil. Benefit of the mask. This treatment strengthens weak roots and helps combat hair loss. How to use. Apply directly to the scalp and massage gently. Cover your hair with a warm towel and leave for 20 to 30 minutes. Wash off with warm water and a natural shampoo. Use once per week. 5th recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of yogurt, nourishes and moisturizes. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, improves blood circulation in the scalp. Mix yogurt with cinnamon. Benefit of the mask: stimulates new hair growth and adds shine. How to use: apply carefully to the scalp, avoiding sensitive areas. Massage gently into the roots. Leave for 15 minutes only. Wash with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. Repeat once a week. 6th recipe. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of yogurt, conditions the hair. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, has anti-inflammatory properties for scalp health. One teaspoon of honey, moisturizes and adds shine. Mix yogurt, turmeric and honey into a smooth paste. Benefit of the mask: this combination reduces irritation, prevents dandruff and improves hair strength. How to use: apply the mixture to your scalp and the full length of your hair. Massage gently into the roots. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Then rinse with warm water and wash with a mild shampoo. Use once every 7 to 10 days. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. Thanks for watching.